Starting up a business may be easy, but you know what's challenging? It's choosing an accounting system for your business. You know what? I want advice. If you are starting your business and your business is still small, I'd advise you to rather start recording your transaction using a spreadsheet. Hi there, welcome to Accounting with Naomi. In this series, I'm going to take you through which spreadsheet option to use for your business. Stay tuned. Right, so I've got an option to either use Google Sheets or Microsoft Excel. But what are the difference between the two? I'm going to start off with Excel. Now, Microsoft Excel is a software program created by Microsoft that uses spreadsheet to organize numbers and data with formulas and functions. Excel analysis is ubiquitous around the world and used by businesses of all sizes to perform financial analysis. While on the other hand, Google Sheets is a free competitor to Excel. With similar layouts and features, users with a Gmail account can access Google Sheets. Google Sheets are saved in the cloud, meaning users can access their spreadsheets from anywhere and on numerous devices. Multiple users can also collaborate on the same spreadsheet. Oh, wow, isn't that amazing? All right, so we want to ask ourselves, fine, now that we know the difference between Microsoft Excel and Google Sheets, then how do I get to choose which spreadsheet to use and which will be good for my business? Now, it all depends on the type of business that you are doing. It all depends on the need of your business. All right. So we're going to do a test. I'll call this a test. We're going to go through this test. And then if you're able to answer what suits your business, then you will know whether you choose Microsoft Excel or Google Sheet. Right. So we start at the top here. If you are a new spreadsheet user, all right, the first question, do you need the software to be free? All right. So you don't have money at the moment. It's a small business and you want it to be free. If you say yes, automatically you are using Google Sheets. That's the only option you have, because with Microsoft Excel, you're going to have to put in some few, cash out there, because you'd have to get subscriptions of Office 365. All right. So if you're saying yes already, then your test is done. You're using Google Sheet. If you say no, all right, I mean, well, if it's free, yeah, but let's see the other option. I mean, I can still afford, If you say no, do you need to use spreadsheet offline often? Do you? Okay. Even if you're offline, you still need to use it. If you say yes, then the only option for yes there is the Microsoft Excel. If you need to use your spreadsheet offline, in other words, when there's no internet and you still want to use your spreadsheet, then the best to use is the Microsoft Excel spreadsheets. Right. If you say no, then next question. Are keyboard and mouse shortcuts important for you? If you say yes, the keyboard shortcuts and mouse shortcuts are important, then Microsoft is the only option. If no, do you do a lot of data analysis? If you say yes, then Microsoft is the right one for you. If no, next question. Which automation language are you comfortable with? All right, so the languages are JavaScript or Google Apps Script. If it is any of the two, then the option we go for is Google Sheet. If neither of the two, the next question, do you collaborate on work with others often? Right. In other words, do you want other people to also be able to have access to the same spreadsheet? If you say yes, it's an automatic Google Sheet. That should be your answer. But if you say no, then back to Microsoft Excel. All right. So this is basically the test that you take. Right. Once you can take this test, then you know what you are doing. You know which one to use between Google Sheet and Microsoft Excel. Now, to tell you that which one is better, it's too broad to say whether it is better to use Google Sheet or Microsoft Excel. But what I can tell you is does it suit the business need? So take this test and you'll be able to tell for yourself. All right. So that was basically from me. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next series. A lot more series on Excel coming up. Remember to subscribe and do not forget to click on the notification buttons, because more videos on Excel as well as Excel tips are coming. See you. Bye.